Okay, second one is this mark is a dimension first. This dimension is yours
Yeah.
10
Yes.
dia, and this one is also
Eight.
your 8 dia. So this one is my 8 dia. Okay.
Okay.
What we do? Just select this one and
Yes.
then it as a circular sketch pattern, and then specify your center point is this. One second. Okay. Specify point is this, and then numbers of items are there is my
But
in this,
that's happened to me. It's
because here
left
we have the center points right there, 0.7. Okay.
point. Yeah, okay.
By default, this will be taken as this center point. Whereas this center point is your geometric center point, where we have the center point of the plane. Okay, by default, this will be
Okay.
taken. But we
Okay.
always check where you want to the center points.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
that happens to me. It's I try to couple of times and it's going
Okay,
in
thing.
center point.
Well, same thing you can do in this case also. First of all, select this one, and after
Okay.
that, go to the linear to the circular sketch pattern, and then select your this point, not this one. Okay, so this is your just delete this point. I just select this point. Okay, if you can't find out this point, then delete it, and then again select this point. Okay, this one we
Okay.
mapped.
Yeah, got
After
it.
that, you write this 6. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, right. All right. Yeah, that's happened to me.
Okay. And then
It,
other when we do yourself by yourself. Okay. There's
yeah,
other
yeah, I
confusion.
got it. All
Mhm.
other, yeah, I got it. Only, yeah, when I do the circular pattern, it's good to center other center points. Then I confused a lot of times and
Okay, no worry about it. You do the practice more, your confusion will be clear. Okay, any other confusion?
no,
No, all good.
no, all good. Yeah.
Okay, then we continue in other form. This is my
Okay.
sketch module. I will be completed the sketch module. Okay, I just
Okay.
delete
Yeah.
it. Today we talk
Okay.
about the solid modeling. Okay, solid modeling module. So we talk about solid modeling module. Inside the solid modeling module, we talk about first of all is extrude. What's the extrude do? First of all, I make something here to do one thing. I just make a center point rectangle. I just make here as a center point. This is my center point rectangle one. And then
Okay.
want to do. Okay, also you can mention here is a dimensions. I just write here as a dimension is my 150. And then this
Yes.
dimension is I track here is 30. Okay. This one I
Yes.
make here. If I want to do as this is my sketch, simple sketch we can make here, but I want to make as in 3D form, 3D bars, right? And then how can we do that? For this purpose, what you do? Just go to the feature. Here we got the feature, right? If you go to
Okay.
the feature option is for used for the solid modeling part. Okay, this will be my
Okay.
solid modeling part. If you click on the extrude boss, here we click on the extrude boss, this will be shown here. Okay,
Okay.
right there
Okay.
you can show this type thing. Okay, this will be 3D extrude it at any dimension right there. Okay, so this will
Yes.
create this file. And then what you do, just you can mark this depth is 25, 20, anything right here. I mark as a 25, 50, whatever it is. Okay, simple way
Okay.
you can create this font. Okay,
Okay. Right.
and if you click on the this one, okay, then what you got here, here we got the this block, simple block.
Okay.
How can we make this block? By using the rectangle. Okay, by using rectangle,
Okay.
like we can make here is a block.
Okay. Got it.
I just delete it. Okay, this is the block extrude. I just want to do to normal
Okay.
front plan. Okay. This way you can create it. Anything you can create there. Suppose you want to create there as a circle swing, then you can create a circle also. I suppose I create a circle right there. Okay.
Okay.
And then I want to extrude it. If I use to extrude here, then what will be happen? I
It
just
will
click
be the 3D model.
yeah 3D model. And this in this case, what you show here, we show here as a whole also. Because I
Almost. Okay, circle on the middle of that.
make a circle in middle of them. This one. This one. Okay. And then we come to the other option to extrude right there. I just delete this extrude option. I just delete this one. Okay.
Okay.
And then come to the sketch module and then to normal. And wait a minute, my system is slow.
Yeah. And yeah. When you're done, I have a question.
Yeah,
Uh, yeah, only when we draw a sketch module, there is front plane, top plane, and right plane, right?
yeah.
We always sketch only on the front plane, right? Or
So you can also make a top plane. Just remember that if you do the assembly module, sometime you can need a top plane part, sometime you need a front plane part, sometime you need a right plane part. Which part you need it here, then you can search it. Okay. Front plane, top plane, whatever you check here, this is your choice. Okay.
yeah,
What's
okay,
the because some parts is the form of the top plane. Okay. Sign is just form of top plane. Because
okay,
if I can't assign this as a plan, then this will be still looking same. And then after that, we need in the direction, then we can rotate it. We also rotate the objects for any place. Okay. Much better
okay.
to select which objects we need to for the plan. I just select here as a for point because we just talk about this simple basic things. Okay, if you select here to make here to the circular way, I also make a circles right there.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't assign this part. If you extrude and mouse pads, then what's your boss here? Here we got this part also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. But so one thing you can share that you can have the option of this also. Here we have the multiple options. First of all is blind. And then here
Okay.
to up to vertex means this vertex form of this will be shown other way. In this case, we have to make plane option also. What's the miss plane do? Make plane into as your suppose
Both
here,
direction.
here both the sides. Okay, both the
Okay.
sides is equal distance. Is again if you write here is a 50, then both the side will be plane of the
20.
both side will be increased as the 25 and 25. In this direction, we have to go the 25 direction. In this direction, we have to go the 25 direction. Right? If you
Okay.
select this one. Okay. Up to body is where you can show because I don't have any of body right now. Then you could don't be shown. Yeah. Up to surface, up to here. This also all a part. If you blind it and then I want to reverse order on this part, then what should just click on it. What's
Okay.
this will be reverse it.
Okay.
Okay. You can also reverse the thing. And if I can make here, then you can also make this free. Right?
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
In this case, where we have the surface plan, anything you can select here. But in this case, I don't want to need it. I just all the things will be do. First of all, I will just doing normal extrude. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just come to this. I just click on this portion here
Right.
and I make this. If I need here to do in this direction is a circle is anything. Suppose I don't, just click on it and then what you do, go to the sketch model and click on the sketch and then control 8 you can click here. And then
Okay.
what you want to do here, I do another circle make here.
Okay.
Okay, I can also make this and then exist the sketch module, come to the extrude boss facet right here and this will be shown.
Okay.
Okay. And then what's the dimension is taken here, you can check here. Right? You can make multiple things right there. Okay.
Okay.
Each and every place. Simple way you can create this thing.
Okay.
Let's go.
Then we go to sketch, then we
Yeah.
make a
Select
whole.
your face, which face you want to make here. Any objects. But first of all, select the face. I select this face. This way I can make here. This part.
Okay.
Okay. I delete each and every one because I don't need here. I delete this one also.
Okay.
Uh, this one also. Go to the sketch module, select your plan and sketch your data. Then what you
Okay.
do? Just do one thing. If you want to make something else, suppose you have the part module example. Suppose I want to make the something in my using of this way. I just select these portions right here. Select this one, 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 and then I close it. Okay. And then what you do? Select the dimension first and then make your dimension here is your 90
Okay.
and here this is your 25 and also
Okay.
this is path is also a 25.
Okay.
Okay, and this is also a 25. Okay? And this one is your 30 and this one is also a 30. Default is this also a 30. Okay, I don't need to be right here. Okay,
Okay.
this one is created right there. Okay. If you need here to in the center position, you can make it the center also by the using of the smart dimension. I just click this one and then this one and then mark it as a 50, not here to 25. Okay. And then also this one to this point is 45. Okay. And then make it as a center position. After that, you can extrude it. Then see that what's the make. If you make anything, this will be making this way. You can make this part also. Okay. This is simple way you can create here and then make these things and then anything right here. Yeah. You can assign these numbers of these. You can make a closed shape, anything in closed shape. You can extrude it. No need to be made by rectangle and other way. You can make any of the closed shape, fully defined objects, right? That's clear? Hello, Jose. I'm audible.
Yes. 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 Clear.
Okay. That's why we can create this type of thing. Okay,
Okay.
it's simple. You can create this model. Okay, come to the next part is here. I just deleted this one also.
Okay.
I just delete this sketch also.
Okay.
Okay, so just take here to the center rectangle. And then my data is 65 by 90. First of all, select my plan. Any plan you can select here. I says, and then here to the sketch module, to the normal. And there you can select this version and make this type of thing. And then mark as a dimension is your, is this direction is 9. And this direction is 65. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, I extrude this view to as any of tab portions. Suppose I want to extrude it, then what you do? Come to the extrude paths,
Okay.
just to the extrude, and then I want to extrude in the 10 mm, right?
Okay.
And click on OK if you want to do as well, also as a mid plan. Okay, if you need here, and then I click OK. After that, I
Okay.
select this plane and then Control 8, I click on it and this will become. And after that, go to the sketch pattern and then make a circle between them. Okay, where we want to create a circle. Here I want to
Oh,
create a circle and then here I want to create same circle. Yeah, if you don't need here to create, you can create or not. I create this one circle, right? And then what
no.
you do? Just click here and then mark it the dimension between them. I have select this point to this point. I just mark the dimension is 50 between them.
Okay.
Okay. After that, I select this point to this point, and I just here 50 to 10 and 10. My then state is this is 5.
Okay.
5 is that? No, 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 no. This mark is wrong. I think 15. Half of the 15 is 7.5, right?
1.5, right?
Okay, that's good. Okay, after that, I mark as a circle. That is 3.5. Okay, 5. Okay, sorry, it's 5. Okay, so my diameter is my 5. I just write here the 5 mm. And
Okay.
then also for this tire is 5 also.
Okay.
And then click on this portion and I just exit it and come to the extrude and boss pair. Okay, then what's the extrude is you? This one and this one. Click on the curve control and then click on the extrude. If
Okay.
you extrude it, this will be shown like this. Okay,
Okay.
and then what you do? Just write his distance 3.5. Okay,
Okay.
and make this thing above the this portion. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, if you want to need to edit this, and they go to the edit features, and then you can also edit this portion also because this will be on the 9 mm. Okay, and just click
Okay.
on 9 mm. Right.
Right.
Okay. This type of thing will be created by using simple way you can extrude it. Got
Okay.
this? Got.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Tell me.
Our origin XYZ is on the center, right?
Yeah.
We
So
can
mhm. Tell me.
we can move XYZ anywhere in the side or just always on the center, depend upon.
Don't worry about this. If you want to show the plan, here we have the option on the plan display options. Where we have to
Okay.
display shaded mode. If you don't want to lines here, then you can also use a shaded mode. Okay. If you want to display in this direction, just click on this direction. Here we have the option of display options, right? Which way
Yeah.
you want to display, click on this way. You can show anything anyway, anywhere, right? Here. Okay.
Okay.
Here we have the
Okay.
all the views. Here we have all the views, and then here we can show has the Hoovers control shortcuts are also there. Control 4, control 2, control 3. Okay, many of the shortcuts are there for the showing of any place line, right? And
Okay.
for the normal, you can go to the control 8.
8. Okay.
And if you want to show the trimetric form, just click on the trimetric form. This will be shown as form of the trimetric. Right?
Okay.
And then if you want to show here the display style, if you want to see this type of thing, you can also see this.
Okay.
Right? So this way you can see anything. But if you want to display this way, you can also display it. In this case, we have to show the solid part also, and then also showing here is the lines also for the making the object is perfect. That's clear?
Yes, clear.
Uh, okay. Come to the next person is here. I just make it one thing. Just me select a new one. Any plane you can select here right now, and then
Okay.
make some sketch right there. I make some
Okay.
sketch. Suppose I want to make here as a one sketch is this and like this, and then mark as a dimension is your 100 mm. Diameter
Okay.
is 100. Okay. And then what you do? Just first of all thing you can do here to do that. Go to the feature options and click on the extrude bass right there, and then select
Okay.
anything right there. To this portion, I just select here as my distance is 4 to 140, right? So I just say it is a 140. This is my 140, right? And then
Okay.
I want to make them inside the hole. Here I want to make here as a inside hole. Then how can we make this? Come to the sketch pattern. First
This
of all,
pattern.
I just make as a circle
Okay.
right here.
Okay.
Click
Okay.
small circle and
Okay.
then one of the big circle And after that, I assign as a dimension first. First dimension is my is 20.
Okay.
This is my section. Right? This
Okay.
way, you can create these things, and then come to the next option of this part is yours is extrude cut. You see that here the option is extrude cut.
Oh, can X.
Okay. Then what you do? Click on the extrude cut. Click on the
Okay.
extrude cut, and then just see that where you want to screw extrude cut is this right here. If you want to show us the between them, and then how can we extrude cut? If I want to mention that extrude cut is any dimension, suppose 120, right there 120. Okay.
Okay.
And then if you do that 120 and then anything, I just click to display, not to
Okay.
this. Okay. I just select this one only and then click on OK. Then once you show that, here you can show here the depth
Okay.
120. Okay. Right
Okay.
there, I want to also extrude cut of this portion also. Not this. One second. I just click on this portion. If this
Okay.
portion, any portion you can make here. Suppose I want to click first of all this portion and make it here's extrude cut first.
Okay.
And then you can want to do one thing. And then one thing you can do here is your suppose it's 40. I just not want to 20. I just write here's a 40. Okay. And then click on OK. This will be shown as here 40. If I want to extrude cut is this portion is also, then click on the extrude cut right here. Okay.
Okay.
This way you can create this person, right? Okay.
Okay.
And then one thing you can do here to I want to extrude cut of this part also. Then what you do? Do one thing. I just come to the sketch module. In feature module, you can not as a sketch module, just change it. And this will be create as a convert entities first. Okay.
Yeah.
And then just click on the sketch. And then come to the feature. Those why this will be not converted entities. One second. I just click convert entities. Select this one and then click OK. Okay, this will be converted. If you convert the entities, do what you do? This is make a circle anything here for to the showing is better way. And then what you do? I just write here is extrude because it's 120, and then
Okay.
click on OK. Then what will be happen? Then this will be made. Right?
Yeah. Right.
If you see here to other form, suppose I want to see here and this format. Yeah, I think see this form. Then what you see here, this will be shown the your whole. This to this and then after that this.
Okay.
Okay. You can
Okay.
make easy way to create this type of things. Just
Okay.
like okay, simple way you can create them.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, if I come here to
That
make
is
other
called a extrude cut, right? Extrude cut.
yeah, extrude cut. Extrude cut means it's extruded, but this portion we do as a cut format. Okay, cutting inside this of any parts, anything right there by using of the any
Okay.
examples. Okay,
Okay.
this is called the extrude cut.
Okay.
So come to the next question is here. I just create one file again to show. I'll just click what. Okay. Select anything and then right here's a sketch. First of all, make a center rectangle.
Okay.
I just write here to the dimensions is my what's the dimension is 80. Okay. This is my 580 and this is my 80. Okay, here is not 250, it's to 580. Just click on it. You can edit this to 580. Okay. This is my
Okay.
object created here. Then you can do one thing here to the go feature and extrude boss. And the right here is distance is my 60. Okay.
Okay.
If you can want to do as in the mid plane, you can also select the mid plane right here and click on
Okay.
it. After that, come to select this portion and then go to the sketch module, sketch it like, to the normal form. And then I want to create some circles right here. So first of all, I select here and then make a circle in this sections, and then I want to assign a dimension between them. First of all, this to this, and this dimension distance is 50. Okay,
Okay.
and then this one to this one is also take here
Okay.
20, and
Okay.
this circle diameter is my 25.2.
Okay.
Click on OK, and I want to make is some sketch pattern right there for this part. I select this portion and then linear sketch pattern I do here. And then what's the distance between them is I check here. Is distance between them is 120 mm. Okay, and then how many
Okay.
days I sketch I want to make here 40. Okay,
Okay.
it's not 4, 5. Okay, this
Okay.
way portion you can create here this type of things. And then I want to make is a and form of extrude cut. Then you can also make this as extrude cut. Click on these portions. Okay, and then what will happen? All the patterns will be extruded cut simultaneously if you have to make this a patterns. Okay, and then I want to make as whole, then you can write here is a 16 mm. 16 mm is your perfect data, right? And if you want to do one thing also, if you don't want to write here as a 16 mm, you can also do throw all. Throw all means that
Mm.
you can mark all the portions right here.
Okay.
Okay, if you don't want to right, you want to do as a whole directly to through all to the direct hole, you don't mark as a size between them, then you can also use as a throw all. Okay, throw all both is
Okay.
also used for other way. Okay, then you can also mid plans, anything you can do is here. If you want to mid plan, then this will be done on for the mid plans also. But I want to do as a throw all will do, and then don't need to be dimension is, and then click on OK. If you click on OK, then
Okay.
once you go here, here we got this whole site here.
Okay.
Okay. That's clear?
Yes, clear.
Now, if I do one thing, I just cut it out, delete this portion, yes, and also delete this, yes, all, and I also delete this right here, yes. Come to this portions, I want to make here one thing. Suppose I make this one. I just don't mark is any direction right here, and then I just extrude it,
Okay.
and extrude distance I take as a 20, and then by using this mid plane. Okay, click on mid plane. After that, I come to the
Okay.
portion is one, select the front plane, and then again you do the sketch. Go to normal, and then
Uh,
I
I
make
have,
it. Yeah,
I
tell
have
me.
a question. If we
Uh-huh.
can do first everything sketch, then we can do X other model.
You can also do as other mode, but in this case, I do is this portion. If you want to do other mode, suppose I just remove it, and then I
First,
just delete this sketch also. I just go to
yeah,
there.
first we can make a sketch everything, then we can do all
Okay,
the
you want to do
other
as a
model
front plan,
or yeah,
top plan, right? So you can do as a top
right.
plan also. Okay, don't worry about it. You can do as a top plan also. Okay, any plan you can select here by using of this way.
Okay.
Okay, come to the next one is your extrude cut right here. I want to do as extrude cut. Click on the extrude cut. Then what to see here? If I do this way, then what will we do? You can see here this will be extrude cut in this format, and then if I reverse it, this extrude cut is in this format. Not the all the data will be extruded, right?
Oh, right.
You see that this hole make in this direction. If you click on the other direction, this will hole will make in this direction. Okay.
Yes.
If you click on the
Yes.
throw, then this will be extrude in this direction, not this way. But I want to extrude this in both the way because I select here as a plan, but I don't want to do. Then what you do for this option, you can select the throw all both. What you do, select throw all both. If you select throw all both, then you can make as your this type of things. Clear?
Clear.
Okay. So almost the means that you can make a center plane right here, and then you want to make this type of thing all, then you can use the throw all boss this way, or you can create this bar. That's clear?
Yes.
Got it. Okay.
If
So this
it will be the
uh,
originally from the center, right?
yeah,
Uh,
originally from the centers. Okay. You would make as behalf of plane, and sometimes your plane in center form, and then sometimes it's on every time you select the diagram in center form, right there. Then you can
right.
do this type of tree. Clear?
True or what? Okay. Clear.
So it all. That's clear to you? This is simple
Yes.
way you can create the as actual and actual cut things.
Okay.
Okay. I think as today's class, this is enough. Make this diagram as well by using of this way. Extrude cut.
Okay.
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 Any question regarding this?
Oh, no.